Some geometries, a big nozzle, an odd cone to cylinder junction, just don't fit neatly into Division 1's formulas. Mandatory Appendix 46 is the sanctioned way to borrow a better tool without leaving Division 1 behind. Welcome back to ASME Section 8 Division 1 in 5 minutes. Season 3, Episode 1, Borrowing Division 2 inside a Division 1 vessel. Appendix 46 has one narrow, specific scope. It lets you use Division 2 rules to design individual components, not the entire vessel. Think a single nozzle, or the cylinder-to-cone junction on a transition section. Everything else about the vessel stays exactly Division 1, same certificate of authorization, same PWHT rules, same testing, same nameplate. This isn't switching codes. It's borrowing a sharper tool for one stubborn part, while the rest of the build follows everything you already know from this series. You get two paths in. Design by rule, under 46-3, uses Division 2's Part 4, still formula-based, like Division 1's own approach, but written to handle geometries Division 1's formulas don't cover well. Design by analysis, under 46-4, goes further. Division 2's Part 5, a full stress-based assessment covering plastic collapse, local failure, buckling, and cyclic ratcheting, the kind of rigorous evaluation that usually means finite element analysis, not hand calculation. Design by analysis can't be used to dodge Division 1's minimum thickness rules outright. It's for justifying a design Division 1's simple formulas can't evaluate at all. Here's the part that connects straight back to earlier episodes. Even when the thickness comes from Division 2, weld joint efficiency still comes from Division 1, UW11 and UW12, exactly as covered in episodes 4 and 5. Full RT still earns you 1. Spot RT still gets 0.85. Skip it, and you're still at 0.70. Division 2 doesn't get to relax that requirement. The component's shape might be designed one way, but how much the code trusts your weld is still decided entirely by Division 2. Impact testing works almost the same way. Division 1's UCS 66 exemption curves from Episode 3 still apply, with one specific twist. The governing thickness you plug into that curve gets calculated using Division 2's method, not Division 1's, when the component itself was sized under Division 2. Same curve, same exemption logic, different thickness input. It's a small detail, but get it backwards and your impact test exemption call is wrong before you've even looked at the material. Picture a large nozzle where Division 1's UG37 area replacement method, Episode 7, technically works, but produces an unrealistically thick, expensive reinforcing pad for the actual geometry involved. Appendix 46 lets you design that one nozzle under Division 2, 4.5 instead, often landing on a thinner, more efficient result, while the shell around it, the PWHT, the testing, and the nameplate all stay completely Division 1. It's a tool for the 10% of components where Division 1's simplicity stops being an advantage. Quick recap, Mandatory Appendix 46 lets you design individual components, not whole vessels, using Division 2's design by rule or design by analysis methods. Joint efficiency and impact testing still follow Division 1's rules from Episodes 3rd, 4th, and 5th, with one thickness twist for impact testing. Everything else about the vessel stays Division 1, start to finish. That's Season 2, Episode 1. Full walkthrough is linked below on WeldFab World. Subscribe. Episode 2 covers external pressure design and stiffening rings.